Rudini. Okay, ma'am, kaano po si Janelle? Inaanak din. So, Mina, good luck, ma'am, ha? So, yung abot mamaya na lang. Okay, meron na ba? Okay, ma'am, pangalan po. May sakit po? Tumatamlay ka, ma'am. Ma'am, kaano po si Janelle? Kaibigan mo rin, so kayong tatlo, ibigibigan kayo. Kumikilig kayo. Good luck, mama. Kaya kakulay niyo po yung ano natin dito. Good luck, ma'am. And for the boys, sa mga batang boys natin, ito kilala ko ito eh. Pangalan mo na, paano naman sa kalaman na pare, paano ano si Janet? Inaanak mo rin. Sige, good luck, sana pamilya yung ano mo sa akin. Yung nagkakantin kami ng high school. Joke lang. Okay, sir, pangalan po na nabigla. Sir, pangalan ka, ano po si Janelle? Sakit po po na tamlay. Okay, good luck, sir. Nasak. Good luck, sir, sana manalo po. Kuya, pangalan? Okay, ano ba? Sir, Kevin, kaano si Janelle? Isan mo, saya-saya mo na. Sayarin mo. Okay, good luck, Kevin, sana manalo. Kuya, pangalan? Jimmy po. Jimmy? Sige nga yung likod na. Bakit kaano si Janelle?
Pinsan niyo po.
Ay, ganun po. Nakakalong ka ba, no? Bawal mo na pag-matin ng party. Bakit good luck, sana manalo kayo. Kuya, pangalan? Darren, taga-saan, Darren. Taga-saan. Darren, kaano si Janelle? Tatawa ka. Sige, magkatawan kayo ang naman. Bakit good luck, sa mga pinsan, kaibigan, whatsoever. Good luck, everybody. Before I explain to you the mechanics of the game, everybody, let's all move backward. Doon po tayo sa forward pala. Move forward, dahil doon kayo nakaharap. Then, tingin po kay Kuya Jerry. Alright. Okay, mga boys and girls, alam na po dito. And of course, we're going to play the basketball game. Sino po rito ang familiar sa basketball game? Well, this is a very simple game for both boys and girls. So, mga ma'am and sir, listen very carefully. Mga kuya ko, malmabo kayo, pakitulungan nga po itong dalawang ko. Okay, so we're going to use the balloons. We have the green and white balloons. So white balloons for the girls and green balloons for the boys. Pero, panoorin po muna natin si Kuya Tonsi kung paano po natin lalaruin ang basketball game. So using the balloon, wala po kayong ibang gagawin today. Gawin lang po ang bagay na sasabihin ko. So, when I say, dribble. You have to hold on to the tail of the balloon and you will dribble the ball like this. Dribble. Yes, bumigay mo din. Dribble. Bisa mag-segment o matambling kayo habang nag-dribble ko. Okay, and when I said exhibition, you will make. Okay, you will make any exhibition na alam nyo sa balloons. You can have your exhibition like this. Exhibition. Tatayunan dyan. Okay. Then when I said pass the ball to number 2, you have to pass the ball to number 2. And again, susundin pa rin yun. Dribble, exhibition. Kung ano pa ipapagawa ko. And you will gain points kapag po narinig nyo na kung kanino natapat ang balloon at narinig nyo po ang word na shoot, that, ball. Tatakbo po kayo hanggang dito sa harapan para i-shoot ang balloon sa ating pong plastic bag. Arto. Okay. First to get 3 points, you will win the game. Good luck, everybody. So, boys and girls, are you ready to play the game? No? Okay, tigil na to. Okay, are you ready? Girls, are you ready? Boys, are you ready? Ready na po ba? Okay, kaya pa po namin maghintay hanggang bukas. Okay, good luck, boys and girls. So, let's play basketball game, dribble. Kaya kung saan pa kalikinig pa kakakila. Hawakan nyo lang sa tesanong lang. Nakakaloka kayo. Ayan. Bye! Again! Dribble! Ate, ito lang po Dribble, 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 dribble. Kaya exhibition, exhibition. Kaya sila po, ha? Okay, sige. Okay, kakain na tayo, mga. Okay, basketball game, dribble, 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 dribble. Pasok up to number 3. Exhibition, 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 exhibition. Pasok up to number 4. Dribble, 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 dribble. Pasok up to number 5. Exhibition, 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 exhibition. Pasok up to number 1. Dribble, 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 dribble. Pasok up to number 2. Dribble, 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 dribble. Shoot that ball. Okay. Tayo pa tayo. Okay. So we have 1 point for the girls, 0 point for the boys. Again, first to the grabbing ball. You will win the game. Okay, dribble, 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 dribble. Pass it up to number 3. Number 4. Exhibition, 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 exhibition. Pass it up to number 5. Dribble, 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 dribble. Pass it up to number 4. To number 3. To number 2. To number 1. Dribble, 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 dribble. Bravo na, bravo.